Okay, so I see where the toilet's shaking around. I see where the leak is. It's your shut-off valve here is leaking, as you can see. So I'll replace that. And the toilet looks like it just needs tightened down real good. It looks like it was real loose right here. So we'll just tighten him down. I don't see any, the toilet itself isn't leaking, so I don't think we have a problem with that. We just need to tighten this down good. It was like really loose. Okay. Okay, now let's check it. Yeah, it's solid now. Let's do a flush, make sure it's not leaking, or the fan shouldn't get damaged from moving around. Okay, no leaks that I see that way. So it does flush fine. So what we are gonna have to do here, I'm gonna have to turn the water off here though. So I gotta find that shut off in order to cut that. All right, so I cut the bad one off, and then all we're gonna do is just attach this one on. Okay. Make sure that's all clear. Make sure it's good and clean, dry. So I put that fitting on, him on. There we go. And just get this water up a little bit. Oh, it doesn't look like, so it looks good. All back there, no leaks. And that's perfect. Boom. No more leaking. Perfect. More flush. No water seepage at all. Don't see any. Looks good. Yep, looks dry. One more flush, just to be sure. Yeah, we're good to go. Everything's fine now. Yep, everything's holding up real good. All right, that's solved now. So here we have this vent that's kind of messed up. Looks like we got all this is coming off too. So in order to come up with an easy solution, we'll just there's wire back there and stuff, so there's really nowhere to attach it to. Alright, so that's pretty solid.